Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here we have a question about money and rates and how to change from a currency to the other currency. So we have example here. Anil changes $830 into euros when the exchange rate is €1 equals $1.16. 1.16. He spends €500. He then changes the remaining money back into dollars at the same exchange rate. Work how much in dollars Anil receives. So the idea is simple. This guy has $830. He wants to do some business, but in euros. So he's gonna change from dollars to euros using this rate. For every euro, it's $1.16. After he changed the money into euros, he spent €500. He has some money remaining. He wants to get them back into dollars again. That's the idea. Where is the issue here? Students get confused. Should I divide or I multiply? That's the main question that you always receive from students. Should I divide by 1.16 or I multiply by 1.16? We have multiple ways to show that. I have my way. Well, there are many other ways that you can do. I always put the money that I want to change, which is $830. Okay. Then I multiply by, I call this the conversion factor. The conversion factor. So I'm going to put it here as a fraction. Okay, I'm going to put this as a fraction here. But I want my money at the end to be what? To be euros. So my money has to be euros at the end. Okay. How I put the conversion factor now? Should I make it 1 up and the 1.16 down? Or 1.16 up and 1 down? So every time the rate I have, I make it as a fraction. I call it conversion factor. It depends on here and there. I want to cancel the dollars and get euros. So if you have a fraction in the cancellation, if you have a fraction and you want to cancel a number, if the number is in the numerator, for example, 2/3, if you will cancel 2, it should be, I have 2 down now, so I can cancel 2 is 2. If it's 2/3 and you want to cancel 3, 3 should be up, so I should cancel 3 with 3. So I'm going to do the same now. I want to cancel the dollars. So I must have the dollars at the bottom in the denominator now. So I'm going to put my conversion factor this way. €1 up and $1.16 down. And now you can cancel dollar with dollar, because I don't need dollars anymore. I need euros. And then now multiply 830 by 1, then divide by 1.16. So 830 by 1 is 830. Divide by 1.16. Using this way, it can help you in any question. Not to get confused about should you multiply or divide. And then now I'll just change. I'll get the calculator here, and then I will do the multiplication, division, 830 divide by 1.16, and then you get 700. So the answer is 715.5 715.5 dollars, or 0.52. So round to the nearest hundreds here. Okay, did we finish? We did not finish yet. I'll leave this number now because I need it. He said he spent 500 euros. So I have 715.5. I want to now subtract 500 euros. I want to subtract 500 euros. So equals, then subtract 500 euros. Subtract 500. Then you have now 215, sorry, not here. So now after, so I did the money that I got here, 715.52 minus 500, I get 215.51, okay, or 52. Now I want this money back again. That's euros, don't forget, that's euros. Now I want this money back again to dollars. Let's use the same way now. So now this money is in euros. Okay, this money now is in euros now. So multiply, say you will use the same rate. Multiply by the conversion factor, and you need dollars at the end. So you need to cancel the euros. Now you want to cancel the euros. So the euros must be down. So this $1.16 should be up, and 1 euro should be down. And now cancel euro with euro. Cancel euro with euro. And then now you need to multiply this money by 1.16. So, as you see, I did not... okay, sorry. So 215.52. It's much better, guys, not to round until the last step. So you keep using the same number. On the calculator. So times 1.16, and they get 250. Where is my... oh, my bad. So 250. I did not see how much exactly. So 250. I think this was the answer. That's it. That's for part A. Should I continue? That's enough. We do it in another